Hello everybody. Today I have a really great trick to show you. Have you ever, say you had an observer or a button and you wanted it to stay on, like because it never stays on. See, look, it doesn't stay on, doesn't stay on. You wanted it to be like a lever. Well, today I am going to show you how to do just that. You have to do this. So you have redstone dust on a block and then a copper bulb. Make sure there's no redstone dust on the copper bulb. Because I'm not joking, if you put redstone dust on the copper bulb, it won't work. Then you put a redstone comparator. And just to double check, this is a copper bulb, okay? Got it? This is a copper bulb. Doesn't matter what color, just need a copper bulb. Doesn't matter if it's wax or not, you just need a copper bulb. So redstone dust, like a block, redstone dust, a copper bulb, and then a comparator. Then of course you can put redstone dust in front of it, and then it will convert it into one thing. For example, I used a button here, and you can do this. And it changes it into just like what a lever does. The same with a trap chest. Turns it on, then it turns it off. The same with an observer. Turns it on, it turns it off. Same with a pressure plate. Turns it on and turns it off. And the same with a minecart. You put the get out of here, girl. Get out of here. Get out of here. Okay, so the same with a minecart. You put it down, you push it, and then see it goes on, goes off. It goes on, and it goes off. Wait, let me just turn it off quickly. Okay, so anyway, now, and then, same with tripwire. Also, chip on it, turns it on, chip on it again, turns it off. And that is how you convert it. Thanks for watching. Bye.